Hello guys, welcome to my 21st video tutorial on XHTML and CSS. And finally guys, we're going to talk about the property app position. Okay, so there's three types of position. It's absolute, relative, and fixed. Okay, so let's go to the portal and open page1.html. And you can delete all the code from the previous video tutorial. Okay. And in this video, we are not going to use the CSS external file. So you can delete the line of code you have saying link rel blah 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 blah. You can delete that and you can type the style text, okay, because we're going to use the CSS code here, okay, in the page1.html file. So let's go to the body section and type 3 divs. Okay, 3 different divs, because I'm going to show you guys how to use the property position in one of them. But let's type these 3. Let's put John and Victor would be James. Victor would be the div that we're gonna give some properties. So let's give it an ID name of Victor as well. So now we have to type ID Victor, curly braces, and let's give it a border of 2 pixel solid black, or let's give it a blue color. Save this, run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, let's change the width will be 50 pixel and height is okay. Let's see now how this is. Okay, we have now the div that we want with a nice blue border. Okay, and now I want to place this div around here. Okay, so we're gonna change the position of the div in our website or web page. So let's start by giving the position attribute absolute, and then let's type top compose 100 pixel, and then left 300 pixel. Save this and refresh, and something, oh okay, I forgot to put the semicolon here. Refresh this and there it is. Okay, so now we have an absolute position, okay, in the web page of the div of top 100 pixels from top. Okay, the top is here where the page starts. Top 100 pixels, this is 100 pixels, and 300 from left. Okay, so this is an absolute position of a div. Okay, now what about if we change this to relative? Refresh. Okay, what happened? Relative, you notice that we changed to relative, and James came down, okay, and this is where Victor should be, okay. So we have a blank space in where Victor should be originally. So if we go to the body, we typed a div John, a div Victor, and then a div James, okay, in that order. And so John is here, Victor is virtually here, okay, or should be here, and then James is the third here. But why does not Victor, Victor is not here, okay, that div is not here, is in blank, and it's here, because we gave it some coordinates, okay, we gave coordinates top 100 pixels and left 300 pixels. So the top 100 pixels now is from the original position, not from top, okay? The top 100 pixels, this top here, we type relative, and now the top 100 pixels is relative to his original position in the body section, okay, or in our web page, which is here, okay. 100 from this top here, and 300 from this top, from this left here, okay. So you now know that relative, when we type relative position, is relative to his position in the body or in the website, okay, in the web page, okay. And absolute is the absolute position from relative to the whole web page, okay. So don't worry, guys, if you didn't understand this, just send me a message, and I'll try to explain you better this thing of position relative and position absolute. But just if you type or try different examples, you'll get the idea, okay. Let's now use the other position type, which is fix it, okay. You can delete this left, and let's type 5 pixels. Refresh, and to see this work, we have to type some paragraphs here. Go. P, okay. Copy this, and let's paste some of this below. Okay. Just type a few, copy paste a few, because we have to scroll down the page, okay. Now refresh, okay. We now can scroll. We have enough to scroll down the page. So now this is where Victor is, Victor div, okay. And you see we have the position fixed, and then position from top 5 pixels. Okay, so we now have the div Victor 5 pixels from top, okay. And when we scroll down, you see it doesn't move, okay, and is always stays there, okay. So it's fixed to that position, even if we scroll down or scroll up the page, okay. So that means a fixed position. You might have seen some advertising in some web pages, okay, some squares with advertising like that. So this means fixed position, and you now know how to use it, okay. So okay, guys, this is all for this video. If you have any questions, just send me a message or type your questions in the comment section below. okay? And I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video, which is a very important video and subject for in the XHTML world, which is forms. Okay, we're gonna start doing some forms in the next video. Okay, it's a very cool subject and a very, very, very used. Forms are very used in XHTML. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.